If you've been using the ADC at Home app for a while, you might have noticed that things are looking a little different. We've just gone live with the next evolution in patient care, the all-new ADC at Home app. You'll see new features, new tools to keep you on track, and much, much more. Updating is as easy as opening the app and logging in with the same name and password you've always used. Once that's done, you'll get a notification that the app has been updated. The new version requires a one-time migration to move your data from the old app into the new app. All you have to do is tap the Begin Migration button, and your data will automatically transfer. Once that's done, you're ready to go. From here, you can check out your profile information or go to the dashboard to see your older readings, or take a new one. Before doing that though, we recommend checking out the App Tour. It's a quick run-through of the new screens and features that make the app so much more than just a place to store readings. You'll see tips and techniques for taking more accurate readings. Learn more about understanding your results, and get support for building healthier habits, all from one convenient dashboard. To learn more, check out the companion video, Better Together, or visit www.adctoday.com/ADC at Home.